I started to print this antenna winder, and I didn't realize that it was literally this small. Oh man. So, um, I don't know, maybe somebody wanted it to be this small, or they just uploaded it that small for you to resize it. I run into this a lot. Like, sometimes they're nice enough to tell you, that this is, you need to, size it to your needs or whatever, but the file here really didn't look that small to me, but I just thought, well, okay. Let's go ahead and try printing this. This is a simple wire winder or antenna insulator for ham radio. Okay. Well, so when I sliced it, I was like, let's see what the dimensions are. 104 millimeter that way. Yeah, so I'm like, yeah. So really, it should be like, about like that. It still only take 37 minutes. But I probably won't bother printing it, just because of the fact that I don't need one, so. Like about there. About an hour. So you get 200 millimeters, which is 230, 220.